Science is knowledge, science is a process, science is ongoing. Whenever I ask students, what is science? Most of the students give answers. Science is a subject. So many subjects taught in school, out of which science is one subject. But I tell you, whatever subject taught in school, all are science. Social studies also science. History is also science. Mathematics is also science. Okay. Then what is the necessity of making another separate subject only science? That is questions. যিসকল অসমীয়া মাধ্যমৰ বিদ্যালয়ত পঢ়ি আছে এই ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক যদি প্ৰশ্ন সোধা যায় বিজ্ঞান মানে কি, বহুতে হয়তো ক'ব বিশেষ জ্ঞানকে বিজ্ঞান বোলে। ছাৰ বাইদেউসকলে কৈছে স্কুলত বিশেষ জ্ঞানক বিজ্ঞান বোলে, বাস। কিন্তু কি বিশেষ জ্ঞান এই বিষয়ে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল অৱগত নহয়। Today I clear you. That's why I bring an interesting topic, science and its branches. I am Tapan Sarma, Disha School Science. If you feel that my video is helpful to you, like it, share it, subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you can get continuous notification of my channel. In my word, in very simple word, I tell you what is science. Science is a way of thinking that gives answers of all of our queries: why, what, how, etc., etc. Why the sky is blue? How does rain occur? Why the stars twinkle in the night sky? All answer we can get based on science. In science, one important method is there called scientific method, or you may say systematic method also. What is that scientific method? All scientists are also using scientific method. Every cases we are knowingly, unknowingly, we are using that method. So scientific method, different steps are there. Number one step, stating the problem, observation, hypothesis, experiment or testing, evaluation, conclusions. That can be understood clearly by taking one very simple example. Say, while writing with ball pen, the pen stops writing. Why this happens? Why the pen stops writing? That is one example. We have to find out why the pen stops writing. Okay, so stating problem, we write. While writing with ball pen, the ball pen stops writing. Then next go to the second step, observation or gathering informations. Whenever the ball pen not working, then quickly come to our mind so many informations. Maybe ink inside the refill finished, the ball in the refill not working, maybe ink dried up, so many reasons may be. So this is observations or informations. Okay. After getting so many informations, we go to this hypothesis. Hypothesis means assumption. Out of these so many informations, pick one best informations as hypothesis. Say in this regard, I selected the ink inside the refill get finished. Okay. So after this experiment or testing, we have to experiment it. In science, that is very important tools. We have to experiment it. How to experiment it? Very simple. Just open the refill. You see under light whether the refill ink is there or not. Okay? Very simple experiment. Knowingly, unknowingly, you are also doing. So that is experiment. After experiment, next step evaluation. We have to make inferences of experiment. While looking under light, I have seen the refill become transparent. That means no ink is there. That means ink finish. That may be the inference, that is called evaluation. Then next, conclusions. Once your experiment is successful, you reach the conclusion. Conclusion means, here conclusion will be refill, ink inside the refill finished. That become a theory. So this is scientific method. In science is there. Okay. Next, coming to this science. What is science? Science is both a body of knowledge and a process. Science is knowledge. Your textbook is full of knowledge. Science is knowledge. Knowledge means some fact, informations we gather. Whatever, all over the world, around you, what information, some facts you are getting, that is knowledge. That develop your mind. So science is knowledge and it is a process. Why it is called process? Because whatever the fact we achieved, we reached, it makes a link between fact and observations of natural world. So this link making, so that is why it is a process. Science is exciting. Science is a way of discovering what is in the universe. How this work today, how this work in the past, how they are likely to work in the future. That is why science is exciting. Science is useful. The knowledge generated by science is powerful and reliable. Based on this knowledge, new technologies coming up. That is why science is useful. Science is ongoing. That means science is never-ending process. Okay? Science is a global human endeavor. People all over the world participate. That's why so many invention is going on. Endeavor means procesta, obiram procesta. All people engaged in science. That's why we are getting today's world. So this is science. Some important personalities give definition of science. What is science? I have written two definitions. Science is a systematic way of learning about the world by observing, experimenting, and testing ideas to build knowledge about how things works, focusing on evidence and logical explanation for the natural and social world. So here, systematic way, very important, called scientific method, systematic way, experimenting and testing. Experiment is associated. Evidence. Evidence means proman. Proman ভিত্তিতে হয়. Focusing on evidence and logical explanation. যুক্তি, ব্যাখ্যা. So this is definitions, and this definition I try to translate in Assamese. Just you hear. তথ্যৰ আধাৰত প্ৰণালীগত কৰ্ম পদ্ধতিৰ জৰিয়তে প্ৰকৃতি আৰু সমাজৰ পৰা পোৱা জ্ঞানসমূহ অনুসৰণ কৰা আৰু তাক কামত লগোৱাটোকেই বিজ্ঞান বলে. Okay. Next definition given. Science is the pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidence. If we compare both the definitions, meaning same meaning, pattern different, meaning same meaning. Same meaning. অসমীয়ালৈকে যদি আমি চাওঁ, অসমীয়াটো যদি চাওঁ, তাৰ ডেফিনিশ্যনটো মই অসমীয়ালৈকে ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰিছোঁ. এই জগতত ঘটি থকা বিভিন্ন ঘটনাৰাজি তথ্য আৰু যুক্তিৰ আলমত বিভিন্ন পৰীক্ষা নিৰীক্ষাৰ জৰিয়তে জ্ঞান আহৰণ কৰাৰ প্ৰণালীগত শিক্ষাকেই বিজ্ঞান বলে. Okay, so this is about what is science. Next, come to this, its branches. Very important. Today if you do not know what are different branches of science, in higher secondary degree, in your later life, definitely you have to go through. So it will take time. So why not today? You should know different branches of science. And I told that social study is also science, history is also science. Why? That you will get if we know the different branches of science. Let's go to these branches of science. Now come to different branches of science. Science mainly divided into 4 branches. What are these? Natural science, social science, formal science, applied science. In natural science, that is the study of physical universe and its phenomenon. In social science, it is the study of human society and social behavior. Formal science, it is a formal system to generate knowledge. That is an important tools for study of science, formal science. Here mathematics is included. Applied science, using scientific knowledge for practical goal. Whatever knowledge we got, that should be applied. There should be contribution to the society. There is a need. So applied science. Now, this natural science again divided into 2 branches. Physical science, biological science. Physical science, it is the study of non-living matters. Biological science, study of living matter, living organism. In physical science, different sub-branches. Physics, it is the study of matter, energy, motion, etc., etc. What are the different facts? Physics. Chemistry, it is the study of composition of matter. So many chemical reactions happen. This chemical reaction under chemistry. Astronomy, it is a study of celestial body, stars, planets, earth, etc., etc. Celestial body. Earth science, that means earth science is study of earth. Earth science again subdivided. Geology, it is the study of rocks, structure of the earth. Geography, study of land of the earth. Oceanography, study of ocean. Meteorology, study of the atmosphere. This weather, climate. Astrophysics. Astrophysics, it is a combination of astronomy and physics. Astrophysics. Now come to this biological science. Different branches of biological science. Botany, study of plants. Zoology, study of animals. Microbiology, study of microscopic animals or organisms like bacteria, virus. Genetics, study of heredity, genes, how variations, etc. Ecology, it is the entire study of the relation between environment and organisms, its effect. Biochemistry, it is the union of biology and chemistry. So many branches in natural science. Now come to this social science. In social science, different branches are there. Sociology, study of human society, human behavior and their interaction. Psychology is the study of mental processes. Anthropology is the study of human behavior, their society, culture and their evolution. Economics, how human utilizes limited resources, economics. History, it is the study of the past. As I already told you, history is also a science, is a part of social science. Geography, in natural sciences, geography is there. Here also geography. Geography has two parts. One is physical geography, it is in natural science. Another is human geography. So here, how human population distributed, urbanization, cultural landscape, these are studied here. Now come to this formal science. Formal science are important tools for scientific study. Mathematics, it is the study of numbers, quantities, pattern. Logic, it is the systematic study of principles of valid inferences and correct reasoning. Computer science, computing system, important. Statistics, it is the collection, analysis and interpretation of data. So like this, formal. Applied science, so many branches are there. Engineering, the application of scientific principles to build machines, structures, technologies. Medicines, the science of diagnosing, treating, preventing diseases to improve human health. Agriculture, the science that deals to increase food production, plant production, milk production. Material science, in our day-to-day life, we are using so many materials that are produced in industry. So by using scientific principles, we are getting so many materials. Material science. Forensic science, science of that deals scientific principles for legal processes and criminal investigations. So like this. So here these are the different branches. So many branches are there. Okay. So that's all today. Thank you for watching my video.